Look at this. It's so beautiful.
Yes, the wrong direction.
One direction. Stay tuned. A bit,
It's breakfast time. Everything is temporary.
Okay, I'm stealing the sauce that you put on.
It's so good. When you realize that it doesn't really matter anymore, then you won't get affected so emotional about it because you already.
We came here for apple pie, bro. Look at her. So it's not usually on like tourist sites. You like cinnamon?
I'm okay.
Okay, right?
Yeah. You?
Also okay.
You're okay.
Today's weather is amazing, man. 它有太阳，然后它又凉。
Yeah.
You know, 10 minutes into Amsterdam at the train station, it was this guy, I think he was drunk or something. He wanted to pick a fight with a kid. The kid was just sitting there. And he started shouting at the kid. Then I was like, bro. And then you know what's the worst thing? The worst thing, he started coming to my direction. And then people started going away, right? And then when people go away, he went up to them and like scolded them, right? Yeah. So then
This
I
is
was
scary.
Like, yeah, then I was like, bro. Then I didn't dare move, you know, so I moved a bit only. Damn scary.
This weather is so good.
This is nice.
No, you want to try mushroom? I'm saying the mushroom, like a mushroom.
Why are you so indecisive? Okay,
Okay,
so it's either
Nishan,
between
Nishan.
wash it. 这个 Is it hot? It is. It's quite warm. 那个 joint.
How was it?
Mushroom sauce. Quite nice though.
Cut everything into half.
Yes. 这个你一个我一个。
可以这样。
I just try the side. I don't know how it tastes.
Makes sense. Oh, that so cute, so cute. I feel like that's really cute, but then like, 对我来讲还好吧。If it's from someone that I actually like,
then it
then
would
you'd
be
be like
so
so cute. But like, I mean, it's really cute, but then.
But I just don't like you.
Look at the seagull.
She lost her sunglasses. Let her know.
You feel so helpless because like usually you lost sunglasses at like some places or like restaurant you can actually get it back, but right now it dropped
Straight into the canal.
river, so like it's gone forever. I'll pay together or
They put it together.
Liter is not a wrong thing.
We bought a whole liter of chocolate milk
chocolate milk is
because it's just cheaper than a 300 ml one. It's so weird. And we bought cherries too. I love it. Let's have one cherry.
so good.
Can you make up your mind? You want paprika?
Paprika or banana leaves.
Bologna. Is that the small one? Yeah, let's do that. But this is贵 though. Look at the price. It's like €2.39. Let's get something like this. The hamka.
Burritos here is like so cheap, but then in Malaysia it's so expensive.
It is. 它没有 hamka 的 though.
Oh, so Dali name it as a new thing.
hamka 惨
So paprika.
So, I mean, we're getting this
Two
one.
indecisive girl trying to buy chips.
I very badly. We're gonna be here until the shop closes now. At this rate. Okay, we're for sure getting this.
Yeah.
And then we get one more.
You get Chris cut like everywhere.
Oh.
But then it will never go wrong with this.
Chris cut and yeah. Look at this stash. I love how craft beers is like cheaper than Coke.
How do you stop this recording?
I like the 形状 as well. Disney Channel.
Disney Channel. What is this? I don't even know. It's called Toon Story. Which fit like 哪个形状的？我喜欢这个。
我喜欢这个。
如果我们今天串，我们明天买一个这个形状，应该更行了。
cheese. The best McDonald's I've been to is Korean.
No Japan?
Japan 的我没有特别去 try. Korea 的 options so
You
many.
know, I go Italy. 我很找还会不会有 pizza in
Pizza in McDonald's?
Pasta in McDonald's, but apparently no. What a disappointment.
It is though.
Girl, you eat like that way. In the show, 他这样吃，Darling 这样吃，不是。
Why do I not understand this English?
很咸。